Hi Librans, this is your career reading for the month of July. I have taken out your cards that fell out for you while I was divinating for you. I have the energies for your livelihood situation, your studies, your any endeavor that you are doing to earn money or to make your abundant situation in the future. I'll be talking about that. So the energies are going to indicate what you should do, what energies you should take, what energies you should leave out, which kind of energies are harmful for you. I'll be talking about that. Before I start the tarot reading, I took out one card to to get an indication to what exactly is happening in your career situation. So I took out one card from the oracle deck of the Psychic Tarot by John Holland, and the card that came out for you is number 4, that is firm foundation. It is saying firm foundation will be laid or it is already there in your life. So this card denotes that you have already or are currently working towards establishing a solid foundation in the material world. So it is an indication about your material world. Using good judgment and heeding lessons from the past concerning financial matters will assist you in laying a firm groundwork. By doing so, security will have a better chance of building in the future. So a secure and firm foundation is happening in your life. The material power that's now around you can either be an advantage or a disadvantage, depending on how you respond to it. So don't let your current position determine who you are actually. So remember to give back and pump up your prosperity for true spiritual and material wealth. Seek proper investment advice and realize that you don't have to hold on to your possessions too tightly. Just be flexible and allow things to continue to flow. So this is the message for firm foundation. So let's see whether your cards are resonating with this firm foundation, material information that the oracle card is giving us. So the first energy which I see is of the 6 of wands. 6 of wands means victory. So victory is here and 6 of swords is here. So this means coming out of a troubled situation, going towards a safe and secure environment. So basically in your life, if there is any kind of problem in this month of July, the problems will sort themselves out and you will be able to have a right to safe passage towards security, safety, towards calmer situation. So you will get help from people, you will get some indication from the divine, the universe. Things will fall in place for you so that you salvage yourself from obstacles that are there in your career situation. So this is the overall energy of your month. So very beautiful energy. I am also seeing the Empress here. The Empress is you. This is your Libra card. So basically you will be graceful, you will be working well, you will be working with the flow. You will not go against your work situation or rules, regulations, or anything in your work life. I am seeing that motherly nurturing energy is there regarding your work. You like your work, you will feel your work, you will do something new. Some of you will be thinking of new ideas and putting them into practice. However, what I am seeing is the Magician here. The Magician and the Empress, if they come together, this means that there is a situation of clash of personality in your livelihood situation. Could be a boss, could be a boss who is very practical, and this person is wanting things to be done in a certain manner. This person is an executioner. He keeps doing things all the time, but you are this emotional energy who takes his or her time, who balances the whole situation and then takes decisions regarding their work. They feel their work, they are not aggressive, they go towards their work with lot of fairness in mind. So there can be a situation of personality clash which is causing you a situation of reverse temperance. So reverse temperance means that it is it is disturbing your center. It is disturbing your center. It is causing an imbalance in you, and it is not letting you work properly. So obstacles are there in the work situation, discomfort is there in your work situation. So it can mean many things for many people. Number one, it can be a pregnancy for some of you, which is causing an obstacle in your path of work, wherein you want to execute something and it is not happening. So you are feeling disturbed, you are feeling discomfort. So or it could be that person I'm talking about could be a boss who is causing this problem, or this could be a situation wherein a new startup has been started or a new business has been started, wherein you are having a problem with your colleague or the situations around you. You are thinking of something, before that you are being asked to execute, maybe that kind of you have to make things fast, or you have to produce fast. Could be a client who is demanding more from you. So there is this kind of energy which is causing discomfort and disbalance in your life of work. So what angels are saying is, you are very worried and you are feeling that you will be making losses. You are fearful, you are not able to do the work properly. So you are fearing that this will cause you losses, this will cause you losses, this will cause you discomfort. So this is the time to cut your losses, be the king of cups. That is what angels are saying. Control your urges, like the empress, control your urges. Don't let outside forces disturb you, don't let colleagues disturb you, don't let people who you work with disturb you. That is what angels are saying. So you have to get out of this loss situation with your centering of energy. You see this person, you have to center your energy, you have to control your urges to become aggressive. So you have to feel your work, you have to, even if you have to sacrifice some of your monetary privileges, you have to do that to execute this work which is maybe based on your talents. So this could be for some of you. So I see finally you coming into healing from the temperance is not coming, but the three of cups is coming. This means you will be able to execute something, first mission will be accomplished, and you will feel a bit healed, and you will be able to enjoy with your colleagues and celebrate. So a social function is there along with your professional in your professional life. So you will be able to enjoy with your colleagues and feel good about a situation that you accomplished. So angels are saying, if you are still feeling this disturbing energy in your work situation, what you need to do is take time out, take four of swords. When you take four of swords, when you take slow down, so slow down process has to be done. You have to work out a situation wherein you take a break, or you take a holiday, or you space out your work, take your time in making decisions. This is a proactive break. Keep thinking, keep meditating, journaling, writing down things to understand your work situation, and become calm in your work while you are executing your work. So angels are saying some of you will be pressed because there will be some situation in your job wherein either money or two jobs, or two deals, or some duality will press you to work harder and maintain that fine balance. So in that scenario, you have to take a small break or breaks in between your work to recenter yourself. So while you are recentering, some of you will be thinking of getting out of this situation. Some of you would want to move on or walk away from a situation which is causing you hurt, which is causing you wound, which is causing you losses. So you will start thinking about a new goal in life, maybe walking away from the existing work situation to another situation. So angels are saying that you have to become compassionate, you have to slow down, you have to feel your work, and stop being materialistic, stop being result oriented, because this is not going to give you your centering. You need to feel your work, you need to be away from the tumults of greed, and tumults of demands of materialistic world. It is not going to help you. So angels are saying star is your outcome. This is this says that this is need to have faith, you need to have optimism, you need to have positivity to go forward, move forward, because things will be good for you. Ultimately things will work out for you. So you have to be optimistic. Ace of Swords, which is coming in your outcome, is saying that you will have the epiphany, you will have the knowing, you will have the illumination to step forward, to go towards your path of progress. So you don't need to worry with short term problems, or problems of external people who are disturbing your work life. And your advice from the angels is that Ace of Wands will happen. Growth, prosperity, abundance will come to you, new opportunities will come to you, money will grow for you. Judgment situation is happening, which is saying that in a few months you will get the calling, you will be able to awaken yourself from the certain stagnancy or problematic situation which is around you, and you will be able to transform. So the transformation cards are here with the Judgment, and in the beginning the Six of Wands and the Six of Swords was coming. This is transformation, this is transformation which will come to you. These cards will take you towards a new beginning, a new place for some of you, a travel, a victorious travel, a travel which will let you out of the obstacle situation. So this kind of situation is going to develop, but it will take some time. That is what angels are saying, but you will be able to have the clarity soon. You will have the clarity and have hope for this. So have positive hope for this. So that's it from my side. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. If you want a personal session with me, if you want me to see your personal situation in career or in your love life or in any aspect of your life, and you want to discuss and get into the depths of future, so you can contact me through the comment box and request for a reading like that. These are paid readings which I give to people from all over the world. So I slot their readings according to time zones, and that's why when you write to me, you need to write your place from where you are contacting me, your name, and what you want from me. So that's it from my side. I will tell you how to book my readings, and if you don't want to book my readings, no problem. You must hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel to not miss out future readings. So that's it. Enjoy your month. Bye bye.